guys, it's Tuesday today, and for breakfast I'm going to be making bagels that are inspired by Apollo Bagels in New York. I have all my ingredients here, and we have heirloom tomatoes from Trader Joe's. I also have everything bagels, dill, and finally cream cheese. The toaster is done, but I'm going to put it in for a little bit longer.
Manchados de morado, cae la tarde, canta el viento y el mundo se queda pequeño.
Now our bagels are ready, so I'm going to wash some dill, add pepper, salt as well, and then we'll be ready to eat.
Sol dança mais baixo no céu e o vento traz cheiros de flor. As tardes têm encosto de mel e toque leve de amor. Na varanda eu sinto o tempo ir.
My favorite drink recently has been a powdered kombucha. I've had so many within a day, but it's just yummy. I finished this whole box. This is what the pouch looks like. You just pour it directly into a cup and add water, and it becomes fizzy. It's actually so good, especially iced. It's very refreshing. Okay, so I'm gonna leave some space for ice. I'm gonna add in 4 cubes of ice.
Levo calor no peito.
I'm gonna try out my breakfast now, my bagel and the kombucha drink. For lunch today, we're gonna make shrimp spring rolls. I had this phase where I would crave spring rolls every single day. We're gonna make them from scratch today. For the veggies, we'll go with a pretty simple approach. So we're gonna use green leaf lettuce and 1 cucumber and some shredded carrots. We're also gonna harvest some basil. The plant does not look like it's in a very good state right now. It's actually auto watering, so you fill this section up with water. Let's look for some good pieces. Okay, the last few green ones. Okay, this is all we're gonna get. For the lettuce leaves themselves, it's pretty simple. We don't need to cut it, we can just keep it as is. I'm gonna trim a little bit of the stem. to the fun part, and we're gonna wrap up all our ingredients. For the sauce measurement, I just eyeballed everything, but inside is vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil. And this is our spring rolls. They all look massive, but it's mostly vegetables inside. For dinner today, we're gonna make carbonara udon using Thai wheat noodles from Trader Joe's and also turkey bacon. It's actually so good.